What do you call the triangular upper part of a building in classical architecture, typically surmounting a portico of columns? What do we call a covered walk in a convent, monastery, college, or cathedral, typically with a wall on one side and a colonnade open to a quadrangle on the other? What do you call the front facade of a building, especially an imposing or decorative one? What do you call the upper interior surface of a room? What is the name for a large, open interior area within a building, often featuring a glass roof?